Shroomeronians, what's good, fam? I covered up a mushroom in my yard with a bucket and a brick on top. Let me show you why. This little buddy right here. And then we got little buddy. And then we got this little buddy right here. Looks like he might already be pretty close to a mushroom. And then we got this buddy right here. So we got this one. Looks like they left it alone. But it was really just grubbing out on this one. But then we got this one. Now it's gonna know where my stash is. Untouched.